Have you ever really understood how fast the speed of light is? It's 300,000 kilometers a second. It can circle the Earth 7 times. But on a cosmic scale, it's a piece of crap. Imagine if you had a spaceship that could travel a light year in a second. Would you want to see the edge of the universe? In 1 second, you'd be out of the solar system. In 4 seconds, you'd be on our Earth's neighbor Proxima, the home of the Trisomes. In 8 seconds, you're at Sirius, the brightest star in the sky. In half a minute, you'll be looking at 55e Cancer. That star is made of diamonds. If you take a few, you'll never spend it all. 10 more minutes of flying, and you've finally found a star with an environment similar to Earth's Kepler-22b. But with today's technology, it'll take us over 10 million years to figure it out. 2 hours later, you're at the birthplace of the Pillars of Creation. I remember when that image was so powerful. It was one of the best pictures ever taken by the Hubble telescope. Another 5 hours of flying, and you're about to reach the largest known star, Stephenson 2-18. Its radius is 2,158 times that of the Sun, and it could hold 10 billion suns and 130 trillion Earths. After about a day's flight, you can look back and see the Milky Way in all its splendor. It's a beautiful sight. A month later, you're in the closest galaxy to the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy. There are 1 trillion stars there, twice the size of the Milky Way. In another 4 billion years, they're going to collide and become a new galaxy. In 4 months, you can fly out of our solar system and the Andromeda Galaxy and the other 50 galaxies that make up this cluster. After 3 years of flying, you'll realize that this cluster is just part of the Virgo supercluster. After 16 years, you can see a feathery patch of the Laniakea supercluster. And the Milky Way is just a black dot on its feather. In 100 years, you'll reach the largest black hole known to man, TON 618. It's a terrifying object with the mass of 66 billion suns. After more than 1,000 years of flying, you shouldn't even be you at this point. The spacecraft has finally reached the edge of the currently observable universe, about 46.5 billion light-years from Earth. But that's not really the edge of the universe, it's just what we can guess at right now. The real edge is one that humans will probably never reach.